Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news. Milwaukee tosses out their 10-year-old job site radio and replaces it with a new M12 radio charger combo with better sound and a pile of features their fans have been waiting for. This is the Milwaukee M12 radio charger, model number 2951-20. This little package of power features better sound, less distortion, Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, and multiple hanging solutions so you can put it anywhere you want on the job site. And on top of all of that, it's a charger for your M12 batteries. First, let's talk about that performance. It includes a full range speaker and a separate tweeter that can be fine-tuned with a built-in equalizer. The boosted volume now reaches up to 99 decibels, beating the 89 decibels found on the previous model. The radio includes both AM and FM bands with 10 presets available. And thanks to the Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, you can stream music from your devices up to 100 feet away. When plugged in, it can charge your M12 batteries, and it includes a fast-charging 2.1 amp USB port for keeping your phone juiced up. Milwaukee says that just a small CP 2.0 battery will keep the music playing for over 10 hours, so you'll never have to drop the beat on the job site, unless you want to. Most job site radio solutions are rather heavy, but this guy comes in at less than 4 pounds, and at 9 by 6 by 6, it's super compact. The integrated hollow handle makes it easy to carry and gives you several options for hanging it on the job site. And of course, it's IP54 water and dust resistant, and they claim it can survive a 10-foot drop. If these are all the boxes you wanted checked on a job site radio, you can pre-order one now at Ohio Power Tool for only $119, and they plan to ship in late June. To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.